Hello students, welcome all. Our today's topic is carbon cycle. So let's start. See students, the air around us is made up of many different gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and inert gases. Okay, now this concentration of the gases are maintained in the atmosphere through various gases cycle. Okay, so which are they? They are carbon cycle, oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle. Okay, today we will discuss what is carbon cycle. See students, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air is 0.03%. Okay, the CO2 in the atmosphere is maintained by the circulation of CO2 from atmosphere to biosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere, and it is then returned back to its atmosphere. Okay. Now, the two important processes through which this carbon dioxide is circulated and released in the atmosphere is first is the photosynthesis and second one is the respiration. Okay. So, now let's understand this carbon cycle. Since from the atmosphere, the carbon dioxide enters into the plants. Then the plants converts this carbon dioxide into carbohydrates through the process of photosynthesis. Okay. The herbivorous animals feeds on these plants. Okay. Now in this way what will happen? The carbon will circulate. The carbon will transfer from these plants to the herbivorous animals. Okay. Then the carnivorous animals will feed on these herbivorous animals. Okay. This way the biotic carbon is transferred from plants to the herbivores, from the herbivores to the carnivores and from the carnivores to the apex organisms. Okay. Then what happens students? After the death of the organism, the bacteria and the fungi feeds on this organism. Okay. And they decomposes these organisms. Then means in the decomposition means through the decomposition the bacteria and the fungi returns the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Okay. Means a cycle has been completed. Okay. Then again through respiration the carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. The humans, the animals, they respire and they releases the carbon dioxide gas. Okay, in this way the carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. Okay, this respiration, this photosynthesis and decomposition, they are the biotic processes. Okay, now the carbon dioxide can be released into the atmosphere again through different ways, that is through abiotic processes like the burning of the fossil fuels and woods, forest fires, volcanic activities, release of smoke from motor vehicles and industries, extraction of the fuels, cement manufacturing, deforestation. Okay, in this way the carbon dioxide can be released into the atmosphere through the abiotic processes. Okay. See students, if the amount of CO2 increases in the atmosphere, it will disturb the natural carbon cycle. Okay. So we must try to maintain the concentration, that is 0.03% of carbon in our atmosphere. Okay.